When cities are designed to work, they enrich our lives. But when the planning process is not collaborative, it causes waste and conflict. By combining their creativity with Giraffe's simple geometry, architects, developers, and governments can create beautiful, functional cities together. Draw freely on the map, like a pencil to paper, and Giraffe makes it into 3D. Add layers for thousands of data points to create informed concepts for new projects. Key analytic metrics are calculated in real time, creating data-driven conversations. Projects are automatically mapped so you can zoom out and see the whole picture. Giraffe automates mundane workflows that took days. Now they take minutes, so you can keep creating, while keeping human judgment at the centre of what you do. Integrate the design, the numbers, and the planning to create cities that work. As its API-driven enterprise-grade software, Giraffe is always improving, just like our cities should be. Transform your city with Giraffe.